officials on the same bus and the media officials. This is a historic moment unfolding in front of your eyes, and there the players raising the trophy in front of the fans, because this belongs to the fans as well. The visuals are coming in continuously from Mumbai. And you can see BCCI Secretary Jay Shah, who's also there on the top of the bus in the open bus parade. You can see Rajiv Shukla also there, and there Hardik Pandya raising the trophy. Just look at the top shot of Mumbai. This is the current visual of Mumbai, where the fans, the sea of blues, is just ecstatic. It's just enthralling, and we wouldn't have seen any such visuals before, celebrating such a grand victory of Team India's arrival. Though it was a bit delayed because of Hurricane Beryl, but this also was, it was pulsating excitement for Team India and for the fans also. The bus is moving very, very slowly because of the fans who've gathered in large numbers. There you can see BCCI Secretary Jay Shah raising, and now Jasprit Bumrah has now come in front and now raising the World Cup trophy, the much awaited World Cup trophy. The top shot from Mumbai. You can see the large number of crowd there in Mumbai, the colourful lights and a very prominent tricolor the Indian crowd is holding. So Jasprit Bumrah, Rajiv Shukla, the entire squad on the top of the bus parade there, the champions bus parade. Rahul Dravid making a video. The cricketers are also, Mohammad Siraj is seen dancing on the top of the bus, because the cricketers are also enjoying this bus parade. This is a moment come true for the entire squad. Each one of them have played a crucial role in the entire squad. You can see all the BCCI officials, you can see all the Indian cricketers, and they are just surprised to see the kind of crowd that has come there to support Team India. And Rohit Sharma is too elated. He's just recording the video and doing the camera himself. He's holding a camera in his hand, and you can see Rohit Sharma is at the back of it, and you can see other players shooting from their mobile phones and with the tricolors on. There are all the players, the bowling coach as well, Rahul Dravid, seen waving towards the fans from the bus, because fans are not just on the roads but on top of the buildings also, so that they can take clear visuals. And this is Mohammad Siraj raising hands, wearing their medal. Mohammad Siraj was seen consistently wearing his medal. This is a moment come true for Mohammad Siraj, who's been facing a lot of controversial time in the past also. And there on the screen you can see Virat Kohli shooting all the fans through his mobile phone, and he's also holding a tricolor flag in his hand, and he can see the excitement. He's also super elated to witness the visuals, because these are ecstatic, electric visuals. He's waving all the fans and also recording the visuals. The smile on Virat Kohli's face, it suggests something else. It's altogether a different story. So BCCI Secretary Jay Shah is also there, and he's surprised to see the number of fans who've come here. And there you see all other cricketers making a video, and now I am joined by Narayan Singh. Narayan, when we talk about this electric visuals, once in a lifetime moment, Rohit Sharma is currently waving and, saying that we've done it, we've won it. This is altogether a history which is being unfolded on the screens right now. Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma coming together. Narayan, what do you have to say about this electrifying environment there from Mumbai? What we are witnessing right now, both of them are also for the benefit of our visuals. Rohit Sharma and Rahul Dravid are hugging each other on the bus parade. They are super elated to witness the moment. Narayan.
It's unprecedented, and as you mentioned, it's a once-in-a-lifetime event. We can say that the quantum of this event, that a sea of people are there at the Marine Drive, and this Marine Drive is driving the Indian cricket at the next level, because if you talk about this victory is nothing short of a miracle. As we witnessed the T20 World Cup final, where it is looking impossible for India at one point of time to win this match. But the way our boys our cricketers showed their composed nature and calmness under pressure. This shows that this team is different from all other teams, and their opponents, who too are unbeaten in the T20 World Cup, they were also beaten by this Indian team. So we can say that it's truly deserving a grand welcome to our players and our team.
And right now, Narayan, we can see on the screens that Surya Kumar Yadav, along with Rohit Sharma and Rahul Dravid, all top three, are encouraging the squad. They are encouraging the entire crowd right now to pump up their voices and shout even louder. The decibels are unbearable. We cannot even measure the kind of excitement there in at Marine Drive right now. The bus is moving very slowly. It is also stopping at times, but moving slowly. You can see Rishabh Pant was also recovered. When we talk about Rishabh Pant, when we talk about Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma has been unacceptable. When we talk about his performance, and unexpected performances was witnessed from there. Narayan, when we talk about, first of all, Rishabh Pant coming back from that injury, and now to this point when he's celebrating this historic victory, it's been really transformational. Narayan.
If you talk about Rishabh Pant, one thing that strikes our mind that he's an impact player. If players like Rohit, players like Rishabh, players like Surya Kumar Yadav, they are the impact players. If they are scoring